Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a millionaire? Is it just luck, or are there certain jobs that practically guarantee it? Well, today, we're diving into 10 jobs that can make you a millionaire. Stay tuned, because some of these might surprise you. Let's start with the first job on our list. Number 1, software developer. You might think, how can coding make you a millionaire? Think about all the tech billionaires out there. Many started as software developers. Plus, with skills in coding, you can freelance, start your own tech company, or land a high-paying job in Silicon Valley. Imagine working on the next big app or software program. The possibilities are endless. Next up, number 2, investment banker. Investment bankers help companies raise money. They also advise on mergers and acquisitions. It's a high-pressure job, but the rewards can be incredible. There are stories of investment bankers earning six-figure bonuses in just a few months. So if you're good with numbers and enjoy a fast-paced work environment, this could be for you. Number 3, real estate developer. Real estate developers buy land, build properties, and sell them for a profit. It's a high-risk job but can be highly rewarding. Donald Trump is one example of a successful real estate developer. Flipping houses, commercial properties, or even entire neighborhoods can bring in millions. Moving on to number 4, doctor. One of the most respected jobs is being a doctor. Specialists like neurosurgeons, anesthesiologists, and orthopedic surgeons usually earn high salaries. After years of education and training, you can make a significant income while helping people. Some doctors even become millionaires within a few years of practicing. Number 5, entrepreneur. Think of all the successful entrepreneurs like Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk. Starting your own business can be risky. But if your business takes off, the financial rewards are limitless. Whether it's a tech startup, a restaurant chain, or a clothing line, entrepreneurship is a path to potentially massive wealth. Now, number 6, corporate lawyer. Corporate lawyers deal with business legalities, contracts, mergers, and acquisitions. Big companies pay top dollar for good legal representation. Picture yourself advising on the next big corporate takeover. The legal fees alone can make you wealthy. Number 7, management consultant. Management consultants help organizations improve their performance. They advise on strategy, operations, and more. The top consulting firms, like McKinsey or Bain, hire the best talents and pay very well. Consultants often travel the world, meeting with clients and solving high-stakes problems. Number 8, professional athlete. This might sound obvious, but being really good at sports can make you super rich. Think LeBron James or Serena Williams. If you've got the talent, professional sports offer massive earning potential through contracts, endorsements, and sponsorships. Number 9, celebrity chef. Thanks to cooking shows and a foodie culture, chefs can become celebrities. Chefs like Gordon Ramsay and Jamie Oliver have built empires. You can open multiple restaurants, sell cookbooks, and even start your own TV show. If you love cooking, why not turn it into a $1 million career? Finally, number 10, pilot. Pilots for major airlines earn high salaries. Over time, especially with promotions and seniority, the earnings can add up. Plus, pilots sometimes receive benefits like free travel. Ever thought that flying across the globe could make you a millionaire? So there you have it. 10 jobs that have the potential to make you a millionaire. Which one surprised you the most? Comment below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.